Today I'm going to discuss about the creating artboard in Figma. So Figma is a tool which is in UA or UX design. So here we have the topic is which is relevant to user experience design. So that is research in user experience design. So first one is we are creating an artboard. So artboard is nothing but it is a frame that serves as a containers for designs and represents the area within the design. It's a similar to an artboard in other design tools. So artboard is nothing but we having a Canva tool, that is we having an area that is like a frame. We can create n number of frames in that artboard. So design their own typical designs, and we can create your own design in like as like in the web pages. So unlike the traditional art books, you can nest frames within the other frames, which allows you to create more complex designs that work together. So the artboard size are defined by the screen. So resolution is of the most commonly used devices. For example, the most common screen resolutions for desktop is 1366 into 3678. So the common resolution for the desktop. For the app also, for the application of that is app also, we have in the mobile desktop resolution is also available, the 768 into 348. So this is the artboard tricks. We have a n number of frames which we can create. So this is the artboard. So in Figma, you can add layers directly to the canvas. So layer is nothing but each frame can be a layer, and we can directly implement into the canvas. If you are defining a specific device or on screen size, you may want to create a container for your designs. This is where frames come in. If you have used design tool before, you will be familiar with artboards. Like artboards, frames allows you to choose an area of a canvas to create your design in. The frames allow you to combine layers together, so they can be treated like a single layer. So see this. This is the diagram. And in this diagram, this is the frame. We can create this. We can click this one and drag this, and we can create a frames. So the pick the frame tool in the toolbar or use the keyboard shortcut F. So here in the right, go to the right hand sidebar. We can go to the right hand sidebar. In the frame section, select the desktop or phone title. So in this one, we have a design prototype and inspector. In this design for prototype inspect, we can click the design. So in the design, we have a frame and then phone. In the frame, we can use phone frame, tablet frame, desktop frame, the presentation frame, watch frame, paper frame, then social media frame, and Figma community and archive. So these are the design frames we can use to design. So if we click that one frame, in that frame we can choose the phone, because we are using a mobile app development. That is, we are creating a mobile app. So that we can go for phone. In that for frame, pick the frame size of your choice. So that is frame in that phone. See this list of phones available. These are the frame size. That is iPhone 13 Pro Max 428 into 926. So this is the frame size. The iPhone 13 or 13 Pro, its resolution is 390 into 844. So iPhone 13 mini is 375 into 812. So the iPhone 11 Pro Max 414 into 896. So the iPhone 11 Pro or X 375 into 812. So the iPhone SE is 320 into 566. So likewise, the iPhone 8 Plus is 414 into 4736. So the iPhone 8 is 375 into 667. So the Android small is 360 into 640, and the Android large is 360 into 800. So likewise, we going to select any one of these frame, and we can choose it. If we move to tablet, if you go for tablet, if we choose the tablet now, the tablet is the same way there is a resolution will be coming. Same way the desktop. If the desktop is MacBook and so Mac and iMac will be there. Same way we can go and we can create this create artboard. So what is the difference between the artboard and frame? So we have a difference, we differentiate between the frame and artboard. In that most basic level, we can think of artboard in other design tools like whether we call frame in Figma. We see the frames as foundational element of a design that can act as a top level container like device viewport. In Figma, the artboards are the type of frames that allows you to choose an area of the canvas to create a design in frames. You can nest the frames with other frames, which allows you to create the more complex designs that work together. So here some of this artboard frame, how we can create a new artboard create frame. It is in the network. Some of the few examples in the artboard frame. It's not working. So networking is problem issue. Okay, this is a sample board. This is a sample board. இங்க பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா இந்த frame வந்து create பண்ணும். Inside another frame also we can create. Sub frame, sub layer also we can create. So like this we can create this in this layer. So this is the how to create an artboard. Okay. So when we are going for next video, I will share this frame because the network is problem. So I cannot show the face of this one.